You ask a guy at a talk, I'll typically ask guys, you married, sir? Yes. How long? Invariably, they do this.
They look at his
They
wife.
stare at their wife, and she looks back at him like, go ahead, squirm, Mr. Anniversary Man.
Right.
You know the last time the Super Bowl was won by the New York Giants, but you don't know when
You take care of the physical part, exercise, sports, all that kind of stuff. The mental, you make sure your kids get the proper education. But those kind of things, that's great, but that eventually ends upon death. The spiritual part lasts forever. How much time are you spending with your children to be with them and show them the right way, the path, starting with yourself? You can't give the example if you're not doing it. If you're not going to church, if you're not doing it.
I really think that for men need to know who they are. And who we are, first and fundamentally, is who Jesus was, a beloved Son of the Father. The perfect man was Jesus Christ. And so if you look at the life of Christ, and if he's the perfect man, then he shows us how to live. And the way he tells us how to live is to give up our life for others.